Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to make a different video, and it's going to be a DIY video guys. And today I'm going to make a video light using the recycling products like recycled light strips, and as a base plate I'm going to use this acrylic sheet, small acrylic sheet, and some copper wire. Like guys, this is a copper wire. Inside it's a copper wire. On top it's coated with lead. Okay guys, let's start our DIY project. Since we are going to make it on a acrylic sheet, we will not be able to solder the LED strips on the acrylic sheet guys, because it's a plastic, so it gets melted. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-solder the connecting leads of the LED strips, and I'm going to stick it on the acrylic sheet here, and then after that I'm going to just heat up, like join these LED strips. So this is going to be the process. Okay, let's start. So first I'm going to solder the LED connectors like this on all these sides. These are guys, the LED connectors are like a copper, so I'm going to pre-solder it with the lead, so that when I stick it on this acrylic sheet, and I can connect the LED strips with this wire easily, so that I'm not going to use the solder on this acrylic sheet for a long time, and it's not going to heat up that much, so that it's going to melt. And guys, it's a note that since this is an acrylic sheet, it's not going to provide any heat shrink for these LED strips. And as I'm making it on a recycling products, and also I'm not going to use this for a long time. I'm making this on an acrylic sheet. If you guys are planning to make this as a long use light, then try using an aluminium sheet, so that it also acts as a heat shrink for your LED strips, and it will not get damaged if you're going to use it for a long time. So let me start soldering this LED strips. So guys, once you completed all the pre-soldering on the LED connectors, now you can stick it on your aluminium sheet or like any of this kind of sheet. Since I got acrylic sheet, also it's very thin, I'm going to use this as a base plate here. You guys can get all these products from the recycling shops near you. So guys, now I'm going to stick the LED strips onto the base plate using a super glue guys. Okay, let's start. And once it's completed, I will show you guys how it looks. Guys, also one thing I have to remind you guys, please do check all the LEDs are working, because if you're going to super glue it, you will not be able to remove it, and it looks ugly once it's completed, you will not be able to remove the LED strips from this. So please check it previously before super gluing it onto the base plate, all the LEDs are working or not. So guys, once you super glued all these LED strips into the base plate, it should look like this. So now let's start connecting the LED strip connectors. Now to connect these LED strips together, I'm going to use the insulated copper wire guys. Come on, let's start soldering it. Once all the LED strips are connected, it should be looking like this, and I have not done a very good job at soldering, but yes, I have connected it properly. without any short circuits, guys. And make sure, guys, you do not short circuit, because as I said earlier, if you're going to burn up any LEDs, then you will not be able to pull out these strips easily, because if you are going to super glue it, it's going to be very tough, and you have to start this project once again with the fresh base plate and strips. Now let's power it up and see how bright it is and whether it is useful or not. Yeah, I'm going to use an external power source, guys. This is a 12 volt DC power supply, guys. Let me turn on the power supply. Yes, let me connect the positive end here and the negative end here. Wow, guys, it's like making me blind. See how powerful this light is, guys. Wow. Guys, also you guys can use a speed controller if you guys going to use it for a video purpose or photography purpose. You can use a speed controller to increase and decrease the brightness of the light, so that you can control the brightness. And man, it's too bright and it's making me blind. Let me turn it off, guys. Wow, it's really bright, guys. So it has only cost me like 20 rupees for LEDs, and the acrylic sheet is free. So I just spent 20 rupees on it and some of my time to make it. Okay guys, that's it. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button on the bottom, and if you have any suggestions, please comment down on the comment box, so that I will read your comments and I will make corrections whatever you guys suggest. If if it feels good to me, then I will definitely change, guys. Okay, thank you guys, that's all. Please don't forget to subscribe for the channel for more video, guys. On this channel there is going to be an unboxing videos, review videos, and the DIY projects, and also guys, in future I'm going to make some vlogs. So stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe for the channels for more videos. Bye, see you soon.